In this video, I am going to show you how you can track clicks and conversion that you get in your MaxBounty by using a free tracker that is called BeMob, and while running a direct linking ad campaign on Microsoft Ad. So I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process. So watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to like this video and do subscribe to my channel. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log into MaxBounty and select the offer that you want to promote. In our case, let's select this offer as an example, and then you can just click on build tracking link, click on search, and then again click on search, and you can get your unique affiliate link at here. Just copy it and save it somewhere so that you can use it later in BeMob. Once you do this much, just log into your BeMob account, and once you go to your BeMob account, just click on this home, and then you will see this kind of interface. Now always start with affiliate network, so just click on this affiliate network. So our affiliate network is MaxBounty. So if MaxBounty is already set up at here, then you don't need to keep on setting up it at here, okay? But if you are new and you haven't set up any affiliate network at here, just click on this drop down and click on add new from template, and then just type MaxBounty, and then you'll see this icon. Just click on it, click on next, and everything is fine here. So just click on save. So now our affiliate network is set up. It is so simple. Now I can go to traffic source, and our traffic source is going to be Bing ads, that is Microsoft Ads. So if you already have set up the Microsoft Ad Bing at here, then you don't need to change it up again. But if you are new, then again just click on this drop down, click on add new from template, and then type Bing, not Microsoft, okay? If you type Microsoft, it will show nothing. So just type Bing, click on it, click on next, and give it a unique name. Because I have Bing A, Bing 1, so I'm going to give it like Bing 0, okay? And everything is fine here also, so just click on save. So now traffic source is also saved, that is Bing 0. Now we are not going to use landing page and ignore this flow. So now it's time for us to set up our offer. So just click on this offers. Okay, so now to set up offer, click on this add new, okay? Not in this drop down. Don't click on this drop down, click on add new, and then go to your affiliate network and copy the name of the product or service that you want to track, and just paste it. In case of country, you can leave it as it is, or you can select United States. But still, if you even select United States, then also you can promote it in any country, okay? It is just for your reference, so that you can understand where actually you want to run this campaign, okay? It will not affect traffic, okay? And in affiliate network, just select MaxBounty. So now here is the place where you need to put your URL of the offer, okay? So just copy this offer URL and paste it at here, and you don't need to do anything, okay? Just scroll below and click on save. So now the offer is also saved. Now go to this campaigns, and then click on this add new, and then give the campaign a name, okay? Like keto gummies or whatever it is. Just give it a name, and in traffic source select Bing 0, okay? The traffic source that we have created previously. But if there is any other, you can select other also, okay? Like Bing 1, if you have set up it previously, you can select that also. In global, it is same thing. You can type any country you want, okay? It doesn't matter, just select. And in tracking domain, so in case of tracking domain, what you need to do is you need to add this kind of custom domain. Now don't worry, okay? I have already created some tutorial on how to buy domain, how to add that domain to BeMob. I've already created that tutorial, and I'll give you the link of that playlist in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and watch it, and easily be able to add this kind of domain at here, just for like $1-2 only. And then you just need to leave it like account default, okay? I will also teach you how to make this domain your main domain so that you can automatically use this domain whenever you are creating your tracking links. And then scroll below and click on this do not track, okay, the cost model, because Microsoft Ad is not going to send BeMob the information of how much the clicks are costing. So once you do this much, then click on built-in flow. So everything is fine at here, okay. Click on built-in flow. 302 is fine, and we are not going to use the landing page, so turn it off, and direct linking will be enabled. And then click on add offer, and then select the offer that we are going to promote, like Go Keto Gummies. So just select it, okay. Once you do this much, then just click on save, and then a dialog box will appear at here. So sometimes what happens, we may click outside and the dialog box will vanish, okay. And if that happens, or if you again log in after some day, then you can see this is the campaign that you have created. Right click on it and click on this campaign links, okay, and the same dialog box will appear. Okay, so this is the URL that we need to use to do direct linking, okay. Not this campaign test URL, no, it is a big no, okay. This campaign URL, this is the important URL. And you can see there is just HTTP, but you need to add as at here, okay. So here you can see why my campaign link is displayed without HTTPS. So if you click on it, then you'll see your campaign link is displayed with HTTP even when an SSL certificate is issued for the domain. Copy this link and replace it on the traffic source side. A link with HTTP significantly speed ups the redirect. If you want to place a link with HTTPS on the source side, then edit the link on the source side and replace HTTP with HTTPS. So simply don't use your mind too much, okay. Just copy this and change that HTTP with HTTPS. So let's open a notepad and paste that link, okay, and change that HTTP to HTTPS. So this is the one thing that you need to do. So after that, you need to set up the postback URL. Now to set up the postback URL, firstly go to this dialog box and scroll below, and you can see this is the postback URL. Just copy this URL, okay, and then bring this URL at here, okay. So now what you need to do is just highlight all of these up to this slash and postback, okay. Just delete everything that is at here and paste this thing at here. I'll give this thing in the description of this YouTube video. Just delete everything up to here and up to this slash and add this slash postback CID as to payout rate, okay. Just add this much and your postback will be set up. Now you just copy this link and then go to your MaxBounty and scroll below, okay. Scroll below and in use global postback, just select URL any campaign tracking type. Just select it and post that postback URL at here, and then click on save postback, and then your postback has been saved. This much you need to do so that MaxBounty can send the information to BeMob, and everything will be tracked properly on BeMob. So now again go to our notepad and copy this link. Now we need to get our final URL, okay, for this campaign, and go to Chrome and type free VPN from Chrome, okay, and you will see this link. Just click on it and you will see this kind of interface. Just click on add to Chrome and it will take few minutes and it will be added to at here, okay. So just if you click on this kind of icon, then you will see free VPN from Chrome. Make it blue, okay, so that it will appear at here. So just click on it and this will appear at here, okay. Now if you need to sign up or do something, so let's see, if you need to do sign up or something, you can do it, okay, and just click on here and you can select the country United States, okay, and then click on this button, okay, to turn on this VPN. So now what happens is your location will be of United States, because we are going to promote it in United States. That's why you need to select this United States as a location, okay. So now maximize it and now just paste that link at here, okay, in this way that you have copied from BeMob, this one. Just paste it at here and then let's wait for some time. So now it is showing us the page where people will reach after clicking our affiliate link. So now from this question mark, okay, always select from the question mark. So in case if there is no question mark, then you can just go with this this much only after this slash, okay, you can copy it. But if there is question mark, then do select it, everything from this question mark, okay. So just copy it and then go to Chrome and paste it, okay. So this will be the final URL and this will be the tracking template, okay. So once you do this much, then it's time for you to go to Microsoft Ad. Now let's go to Microsoft Ad, and when you are running a campaign, okay, so for example, if you are creating campaign, you can do every process in the normal way, okay. Only the things that you need to do is in this add and extensions, okay, adds and extension. So this is another campaign, okay. I'm just showing you a demo setup, okay. So here is the final URL, okay. In this final URL, you need to put the link, this link, okay, that is final URL where the people will reach after clicking your affiliate link, okay. So this link you need to put, okay. And if there is in mobile also, yeah, here also you need to put this link in this way. So now if you click on here, and here you can see the tracking template, you can, it will be blank, okay. I have kept that for another campaign. So this is the place where you need to put this tracking template, okay. So just copy this tracking template and paste this tracking template at here, and then you can click on save, okay. Once you save, then everything is going to be fine, okay. Everything will be tracked inside BeMob at here. So currently I cannot save it because this is the clickbank campaign, and if I save this, then my account will be in a little bit risk because I'm saying toenail fungus and putting the link of ketogomis. That's why I'm not going to click on save. But this is the exact process you need to follow to launch a campaign to track everything on BeMob by using the offer from MaxBounty, okay. So this is as simple as that. Now I'll show you how you can read everything in BeMob. So let me cancel it firstly, okay. So let's go to BeMob, and let's say this is the campaign that you are promoting. Now just click on write, okay, and then click on report in this way, okay. And then you can see here is the custom, okay. This is the important thing. Now you can see the keyword ID, okay, which keyword ID have brought you clicks or sales. You can just click on it and see that all of those keyword ID at here, okay. Similarly, if you select at here, so currently there is nothing because we are not running that campaign right currently, that's why, okay. So which ad group ID have brought you sales, that it will show which ad ID, which specific ad have brought you sales, and which query string. So for example, let's say you are promoting a ketogomis that is related to weight loss, and your keyword is weight loss, okay. But someone have typed like my wedding is coming, how can I lose weight, someone is typing that, and let's say your ad is being clicked, okay. So now the thing that person have typed, my wedding is coming, how do I lose weight, okay. So that query string will be shown at here if you select this one, okay, in this way. And you can see if you click on conversion, every conversion will be shown at here, okay. In case of countries, if you are promoting on multiple countries, then you can select this and you can see which is country are bringing you clicks and sales. If you are promoting on United States, then you can see the state, regions, cities, okay, and what language people are using to search for your ad, that you can see at here. And internet service provider, ISP, IPs, device, which device model, everything you can track inside BeMob and read the data in this much simple way, okay, so that you can optimize your campaign while running a direct linking campaign on Microsoft Ads. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do like this video, and if you have any question, then ask me in the comment section below. So this much for today. Take care, have a great day, bye bye.